So recently I bought this 6-inch jointer here on Facebook Marketplace for $400 Canadian. And for another $125 I bought this dust collector here with 2 filters. The previous owner told me that it fell off the trailer once on the highway, so it's pretty banged up. But the motor still runs. The filters are a little bit banged up too, but I think we can make it work. And the best way to start this is by just cleaning up everything and then tackle each problem one by one. All right, let's get started. Alright, so I put it all back together, I cleaned it up as good as I could. I had to spend another $100 on a hose, a couple clamps, plastic bags, little stuff like that. I removed a bracket here. I have no idea what this was meant for, but I'm pretty sure it's not stock. So I just put some clear tape on it and sealed it all up with silicone. I had to install a new extension cord here because the old one was pretty chewed up and this one is much longer. So that's pretty nice. Alright, so let's just fire it up and see if it actually works. I'm not gonna lie, the dust collector was a lot more work than I thought, but it was worth it. It works great now and has lots of suction. When it comes to the jointer, there really wasn't that much to do other than cleaning it up and replacing the knives. Now let's test the two machines together. So does it make sense to buy used woodworking tools on Facebook Marketplace? Well, let's do the math real quick. I paid $125 Canadian for the dust collector. I spent about $100 in additional parts. I bought the jointer from a different person for $400. And last but not least, I ordered 2 sets of brand new blades for $50. That adds up to $675. If I would have bought comparable machines brand new on sale in one of my local stores, I would have paid $2,169.94 before tax. After tax, this would add up to $2,430.33. That is $1,755.33 more than what I paid for the used tools. So the answer is a crystal clear yes, it is worth buying used woodworking tools on Facebook Marketplace. It just requires a little bit of elbow grease to get them back into shape and to clean them up a little bit. And you know what, I think it's a great way to make yourself familiar with the tool before you even try it for the first time. For $675, this combo was a great deal. It will improve my work big time and I'm really looking forward for the next project. Anyways, those are just my 2 cents to this topic. That was it for today. Thank you for watching and good luck, my friends, with your online tool hunt.